It's 1957. Britons settle down in front of their televisions for the evening BBC News, the very image of trust, seriousness, and credibility. The reporter whisks viewers away to the picturesque Swiss countryside. The camera pans to farmers harvesting, spaghetti from trees. Noodles dangle dreamily from branches, swaying in the spring breeze. Swiss families joyfully pick spaghetti, laying the strands in neat baskets. The solemn narrator notes that a long, mild season has produced a bumper spaghetti crop this year. The news presenter's tone is completely authoritative. This, he declares, is a major event for Swiss pasta lovers, as locals dry the strands over open fires. Britons are spellbound. The BBC receives a flood of calls. Where can I buy a spaghetti plant? Will they grow in England? But only later does it dawn on everyone. The broadcast aired on April 1st. The BBC had just pulled off one of the greatest TV pranks in history. For some, it was a crash course in skepticism. For others, a lingering question. Could pasta ever grow on trees? Want more absurd but true stories? Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.